assisting at an autopsy. A famous British horror actor had died, and I was asked to assist the Scottish Pathologist during the autopsy. As an anatomical pathologist attendant, the actor was well known, especially for his roles as a vampire. I went to the medical examiner's office, and we began the work of preparing the body for an autopsy. First, the body was photographed. Then the clothes were removed. The body was examined for scars, tattoos, broken bones, lacerations, cuts, and bruises. The age was well known, 80 years old. Height, 5 feet 10 inches. Weight, 190. Eyes brown. Hair brown. Well nourished. Appeared to be in good physical condition. Cause of death, heart disease. I shaved the chest hair, then drained the body fluids, and finished prepping the body. The pathologist marked an X on his chest just above his heart, handed me a wooden stake, and told me to hold it on top of the X. I did so, and he picked up a sledgehammer and slammed the stake into his chest. "What are you doing?" exclaimed. "He's a vampire. I have to make sure he's dead. Now don't I?"